You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
We are pleased to show you the 2016 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.